Hello friends, and welcome to Vlog-o-ween day 28.
The moon is shining brightly, the owls are hooting lightly, I'll be appearing nightly, it's time for Halloween. Treats? Sweet! The witches will be spewing, their cauldrons all are brewing, the ghosts will start their booing, it's time for Halloween. Meow!
Today's video is super exciting because we are spending the evening together and we are having a bonfire night outside. I just finished taking a shower and setting everything up outside. The only thing I have to bring out there now is my laptop because we are going to be watching The Craft. I'm going to be making some pizza or a calzone. I haven't really decided yet, but I have some pre-made dough, so we're going to do something pizza-ish, pizza realm. And then I also have stuff to make s'mores later. So David and I are gonna take you guys out with us. We're gonna build a fire. We're gonna have a fun, cozy fall evening together. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so here is the current little setup. I've got some chairs for us to sit in, also some floor seating optional. The fire pit's right there. We have a TV, and I have my laptop here ready to go. We are going to be watching movies out here, and I also have a lamp for when it gets dark. And I need to update you guys on the camera. Alright, David's going to start the fire now, and I'm going to start on dinner, and I will talk to you guys in a minute. So we're having a commercial break right now, and we just finished dinner. I have all of the s'mores things, and we're gonna start making some s'mores for dessert. Okay, you guys, so that is it for our spooky bonfire night. The movie just finished about 15 minutes ago, and we just finished bringing everything inside because we don't want it to get ruined while it's out there. So brought all of the things back inside. And yeah, so that is it for our spooky bonfire night. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me, and David too. And we had a really fun time watching a movie and enjoying the fire, enjoying the outdoors. It's really nice outside right now. Not too hot, and it's also not too cold either. So perfect weather for it. Perfect night for it, honestly. The moon was almost full and everything, so we had a great time. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again tomorrow with a Vlog-o-ween day 29. Bye guys.